4/11/2023. It is the last 2 days of Passover. Officially now, I am taking off. I'm going to go do fun stuff and my homework. Oh, fun, yeah. I'm like, okay. So, tonight, I was like, I got done with my classes, and I was going, I've been having this inner angst over my cup situation. I know, it's the little things that get me. But I bought these cups, 2 of them, at the Family Mart in Taiwan, and they were about $3 a piece, so it's really relatively pretty cheap. But they both have gotten cracks on the side in less than a week of having them. Maybe 2 weeks. But anyway, I got them because they were plant-based, and I'm like, oh, this is wonderful. And now I'm like, ugh. Especially yesterday when I went to go get my boba tea, and it leaked on me on the way home. And I'm like, this is annoying, and I can fix annoying. And I'm like, you should wait until the 21st, once your paycheck comes through, and you have a lot of money because you worked really hard this month, 400 lessons. So I'm like, so I looked at my budget today, I didn't do budgets. I just looked at my bank account, and I'm like, Anna, you have plenty in there to go get a boba cup. Oh, I went to Korea today, and I bought LocknLock. Okay. This is BPA-free plastic. It is recyclable. It is cleanable, and it is not going to break easy. It will not crack. Okay. So, it's a special bubble tea bottle. It has a little handle, has a big straw hole. It has good grip. Now we will do an unboxing. Okay. They have pink and black. I'm not really a fan of pink, but I don't mind the dusty rose or a backdrop. But anyway, so has a little handle. Made by Eastman. Okay. I really like that it grips on multiple sides, so if one of the grips dies, you still have other grips. This is the cup. Now I don't know, my mind works weirdly, but I was looking beside it and I'm like, this is a LocknLock cup too, and this is only 119 NTD, which is like a little over $4, or $3 to $4. So I was like, I wonder if, and lo and behold, it does. So I bought one of these, and now this is 690 milliliters. This one is only 680 milliliters. This was a splurge for me. This was like $11.22. I rarely do that, but I was kind of at the end of my rope today because I was like, you have the money, your cups have cracks, and this is driving you batty. And this is the top. So I have new cup, and I have new backup cup that the lid fits on. I also went to a store called 9x9, which I also love. It's a stationery store. They have all these really cutesy stuff, like mini little envelopes and letters, and Spy Family stamps, and boba tea stamp, and I haven't seen these for years, but yeah, okay, exhibit A, B, and C. So, but I went to there, and I got this for 39 NTD. So, ta-da! Little handle. I actually have 3 of these. I love them. Let's see if it works on this one. Because I'm getting ready to head to Thailand here shortly, and I'm like, I really like the fact that, oh, just a minute, did this break? Don't break on me. Not yet, I just bought you. I talk to my technology. I'm not sure what that says, or my things that I own. Oh, it's not broken, it just comes off. Okay. So anyway, this is my handle. I have 3 of these, so I can have them all matchy-matchy. Plus, I'm one of those people that is a heavy drinker. I don't drink alcohol, but I sometimes will buy 2 teas at once because I feel like it, and they're uber cheap where I'm living right now. So anyway, that is my unboxing of the LocknLock. I did look online for boba teacups because I thought, oh, Anna, you can be thrifty and buy it online. No, you cannot be thrifty and buy them online. They cost like $18 to ship to Taiwan or to Thailand or wherever you are overseas. So I'm like, it is not thrifty to buy them online. It is thrifty to go to Hoya and spend the money and get the cute little cup and extra cup. So I'm like, yay. And when I was at Hoya, I also bought, I love Bad Buddy. Bad Buddy is like my favorite show of all time. The Thai BL drama series. It also made IMDb's top for Thai drama series, I think, in the world in 2021. So yeah, it's been a while. No, maybe it was 2022. I don't know. It's been a while since Bad Buddy came out. But anyway, so I bought these happy socks because Pran always has smiley faces, and I don't know why, but after watching that movie, I'm like, it is so nice to have smiley faces. So I bought these. These were like 45 NTD, which is 6, 9, 12, a little over $1.20 piece. Brand new socks. These were like 66 cents a piece. I got them in the men's section because I wanted. These don't have a very high cuff on them, and when I'm wearing my boots, I prefer something with a slightly higher cuff. So I bought these. It was like 66 cents, and I had to buy the British Shock Union Jack as it were. So anyway, I got those, and I also got these eye masks for like 66 cents each. I don't know if they will work, but I was having trouble sleeping last night, and I was like, maybe they will help. So anyway, that is my unboxing of that. Now we're going to the next unboxing.